Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this iron. We're gonna unbox it and try it out. I do a lot of ironing because my husband always has those professional shirts and I'm the lucky one that gets to iron. So having a good iron is important to me. So in the box, we have the iron, we have some instruction guides, but we're gonna look at the meat of this guy. It has a double-coated ceramic sole plate. This is a steam iron, so it will require the water in here. They do provide the little water cup, which I've refilled already. We've got our handle here. It's just a standard outlet plug. So we're gonna remove this off of here. It's got your important notices. On the top, we have our power steam buttons, our spray button. You have controls on how much steam you wanna put in. This is where you will fill your water. On the side, you have your max line for your water, so that way you know when you're running low and how much to put in. It's got your screens over here. Let's get it plugged in, add in some water. So this is a 1500 watt, and all of your settings are just right here, and this is your knob that you would then select your settings on. And your off is also back here, so there's your off function. And we will get this set to a cotton and get this ready to iron and add in our water. You do want to use a distilled water just for mineral buildup. And this is capable of steaming upright, so it doesn't have to just be laying down. You can actually steam it while it is this way. And we've got our red light going right here. As soon as this is done, it will be green and we will ready to go. So we just got to get out some of these wrinkles. We've got our spray that'll just bring the water out the front, and then you can go over it that way. Or you've got your puff of steam. If you did have a really stubborn area, you can put your puff of steam on there. And it does glide over this really nice and smooth. And it is moving. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with how easy this is gliding over this fabric. It has this front area here that's good for precision areas around buttons, that it'll be able to get in to these more specific areas. To use your vertical steam, say you wanted to do some curtains or something, all you do is just push this button and it puts out a nice big puff of steam.